Hello, today is week 2, day 3. And all week we have been learning about visualization. Each week I'm going to teach you different things to remember as you're reading that will help you become a better reader. And good readers visualize what they're reading in their mind. It helps them to make sense of things and to see a picture in their head. And if their picture gets a little goofy, then they reread because they know that wouldn't be really a normal thing that would happen in the story. This is an article about 2 different fish, and look for words that help you picture the fish. As we read, see if you can see the 2 different kinds of fish. This is going to be fish with lights. Maybe you have seen some fish that have lights on them before. Deep in the ocean, it is very dark. Not much sunlight can go that far down. The fish in this water make their own light. The lights are part of their bodies. One kind of fish that makes light is the lanternfish. They are thin and small. The word thin and small can help us picture what the fish looks like. Some are as short as a finger. So these must be pretty small fish. As you're making your picture in your head, I hope you're seeing a thin, small fish as short as a finger. But the larger ones are as long as your arm. So now we have to add to our picture. They aren't all small. Or at least they can be long, but they're still thin. But it says the larger ones are as long as your arm. So that's fairly big, or long, fairly long. Some lanternfish are blue, green, or silver. The ones in the deepest water are brown or black. A yellow, green, or blue light shines from along their sides. Another fish that makes its own light is the anglerfish. The anglerfish is round like a ball. It is brown, gray, or black. Its mouth can open very wide, and its teeth are long and sharp. The light on the anglerfish is blue-green. It grows out of its forehead and waves back and forth. The fish uses this light to get its food. Smaller fish swim to the light. Snap. So did you see a fish that has a big mouth so far, that can open really wide and with big teeth, that are long and sharp? And how its light comes out of its forehead and it can wave back and forth. The fish, fish with lights are one of the many wonders of our world. So circle words in the passage that helped you picture the anglerfish. So you're going to have to come back to the article and find where it talks about the anglerfish. And the first couple paragraphs are about the lanternfish. But when I scan with my eyes quickly, I see, anglerfish. So I can look back at these paragraphs to help me circle some. And I see here that the anglerfish is round like a ball. That helps me see that they're kind of round. And they can be brown, gray, or black. And their mouth can open very wide. So there's a whole bunch, and they have long, sharp teeth. There's a whole bunch of things that you could circle that help you picture the anglerfish. There's even some things in this paragraph too, if you'd look. So go ahead and circle some of the words that can help you picture the anglerfish. Number 1 says, what is the passage about? Is it about fish as pets? Is it about the deep ocean? Is it about fish with sharp teeth? Or is it about fish that can shine? Number 2, the anglerfish waves its light blank. When the anglerfish waves its light, it makes pretty pictures. It can see in the dark. Its food swims to it. Its mouth opens wide. So if you don't remember, again, you can look back. These paragraphs here are about the anglerfish. So you can find your answer in one of these paragraphs about the anglerfish. Number 3, fish with lights live in the deep sea, big rivers, the bright sun, dark caves. If you don't remember that, you can look back to where the fish live. Number 4, how is the anglerfish different from the lanternfish? It is thin and small. Is that a difference? You can look back up here and find out how the lanternfish looks compared to the anglerfish down below. Its light grows out of its head. It has a row of lights on its side. Its light can be yellow.